162, cover domestic, possible 1032 involved.
163. 162.
Respond to Eagles Way Court. Eagles Way Court. Still getting further, but they believe the grandson has a firearm.
163 now. 162 up.
Show you the route.
163 on team.
It's going to be domestic. 163 on scene. That's clear. It's going to be domestic between father and grandson. Space will be 10-6 for domestic.
You're on your way, step it up.
162, expedite. 1032 is secure in the home.
162 expedited.
163, secure.
163, shots fired. Shots fired.
Clear, shots fired. I need all units en route to Eagles Way Court. 163, you secure.
163, start EMS.
Clear. 163, are you secure? All the units, switch to channel 5. Space will remain 10-6. 163, are you secure?
163, please just get here now.
Clear.
162, 23.
160 on scene. Switch over to channel 5.
566 on scene, shooting.
Clear. EMS stage and vital scene is secure.
1 on scene. In the car left.
On scene, clear.
163, EMS is cleared up, proceed.
You're on your way, step it up.
162, expedite.
Hey, what's going on?
1032 is secure
What's
in the
going
home.
on?
Bro, look at my fucking ear. He hit me with the fucking gun.
Okay. Alright, hold on.
Bro.
Somebody hit you with a gun?
Yes, bro. He hit me with the gun.
Hey, not the fucking gun, what? Drop it! Get up! 163, shots fired. Shots fired. Get on the ground!
I need all units en route to Eagles Way Court. 163
Stay right there.
secure.
Stay right there. We got EMS. 163, start EMS. Stay down.